Hey guys, it's me again, and today we're going to go over how to service your S&B Cotton Cleanable Filter. So we recommend that you inspect it every 6,000 miles to every oil change, and then service it at least every 12,000 miles. So before you begin, you want to make sure that you pull the filter completely out of the vehicle, because it could load up unevenly. So if you look here, it's going to be a little bit dirtier where the inlets are for the debris in the buildup. Let's start off with removing any large debris that might be stuck on your filter. So to start off, you're going to tap the filter on the rubber part with enough force to knock out the debris, but not actually damage your filter. So as you'll see that we did a pretty good job at knocking a lot of the debris off of the filter, but you always want to go back and double check that you're not going to find some large particles stuck in there. So in this case, there's a couple bees, and we're just going to take a soft bristled brush and brush them out of the filter. Once you've completely checked your filter to make sure that you've gotten all the large particles out of the pleats, you can then go ahead and begin the cleaning process. So let's go over what's going to come in your S&B Precision 2 cleaning and oiling kit. So you're going to get a bottle of air filter cleaner, you're going to get a bottle of oil in your choice of either red or blue, and you're going to get an applicator bottle. So this is extremely important because it'll help protect you from over-oiling or under-oiling your filter. Remember to only use the S&B Precision 2 cleaning and oiling kit when it comes to servicing your filter. Using any other brands could damage your filter and will void your warranty. Completely cover the filter with the S&B cleaner. And don't forget the power stack if you have one. Once you have the filter completely saturated in cleaner, you're going to go ahead and set it on its flange and then allow it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes and really let that cleaner break down the particles. Once the 10 to 15 minutes is up, we're just going to take our filter outside and give it a little rinse. Now rinse out your filter using a low pressure water source like a garden hose or a kitchen sink. Now that you've rinsed all the cleaning solution out of your filter, it's going to take up to about 24 hours for it to completely dry. So you can speed up the process by either putting it out in the sun or in front of a house fan. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a different outfit in the same video, it's because we waited 24 hours for our filter to completely dry. So now it's time to determine the proper oil amounts to apply back onto it. So the next step is very important. You're going to want to make sure that you put the proper oil amounts back onto your filter. And if you don't know what the proper oil amounts are, you can find them on our website on your specific filter page. For example, this one is the KF1051, and it'll use 90 grams on the main filter element and 17 on the power stack. We try to make it as easy as we can for you. So as you'll notice on this applicator bottle, there's markings on the side by tenths, and then each individual line is 2.5 grams. First, fill up your applicator bottle to 90 grams for the main filter element. When applying the oil, you're going to ring it around the filter, starting about a ½ inch away from the base. When oiling your filter, you're going to want to leave about 10 grams still left in the applicator bottle. That way when you let your filter sit for about 20 to 30 minutes and kind of let the oil bleed together, when you come back and check on it, you may notice that there's spots that are missing oil. So you'll just take the 10 grams and you'll just fill in those places. So as you can see, the oil spread out pretty evenly on this filter, but we're going to go ahead and take the remaining 10 grams of oil and fill in the spots that are a little bit lighter. So now that the main filter is oiled, it's time to oil the power stack. So you just want to make sure that you get the proper oil amount. In this case, it's going to be 17 grams. Now just apply the oil to the power stack. Alright, so after you've applied all the oil back onto the filter, you'll let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes to let it bleed through, and then you'll just throw it back on your vehicle and you're ready to go. So it's that easy. If you have any other questions, you can always give us a call, or you can chat us in at the bottom of our website.